How to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, the read receipts are these two blue check marks that appear on a message that let you know that the other person have read the message or not. As you can see, if I click and hold on the message and then I click the message info, you can see that the two blue check marks, it means that the message has been read. And if they are two gray check marks, that it means that the message has been delivered and not been read yet. So what you need to do if you want to turn off this functionality, meaning that you don't want the other person to know whether or not you have read their messages, click on the three lines at the top right of the screen, then go to your settings and then click on account and then privacy. And from the first section, the who can see my personal info section, you can see read receipts and it has a turned on toggle next to it. So what you need to do right now is you need to click on that toggle to turn this option off, meaning that the other person now won't be able to see whether or not you have read his message. But keep in mind that, as WhatsApp tells you here, if turned off, you won't send or receive read receipts. Read receipts are always sent for group chats. This means that not only the other person won't know if you have read his messages or not, you will also won't be able to know if the other person has read your messages. So by turning this off, this will be applied to both of you, unfortunately. And also the read receipts are always sent for group chats, meaning this won't work if you are chatting in a group. It will only work in a personal conversation. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable read receipts on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.